You know exactly what you need to do to succeed, but your brain whispers, tomorrow.
It's not laziness. It's a 200,000-year-old survival mechanism. Your brain hates the unknown. Trying something new triggers your amygdala, making success feel like a literal physical threat.
Add cheap dopamine from scrolling, and your brain becomes an efficient drug dealer. It sabotages your progress just to keep you safe and comfortable.
You can't fight it with willpower. You trick it. Use the micro-habit rule. Make the goal so small, like writing one sentence, that your brain's alarm stays completely silent. And when you feel the urge to quit, count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. This physically interrupts the sabotage loop.
Your brain isn't your enemy. It's just outdated. Hack it, or it will hack you. Click this video to see why you feel empty after winning.